You can see some Ethiopian style. Show us the dance step for this one. Yes. I don't know how to describe this dance, but for me it's interesting. You will love Africa for a reason. If you've never visited Africa, don't know what you see on the internet. Africa is a beautiful place. Africa is a continent of its own. If you've never visited Africa, the media will confuse you. Such a lovely people, different ethnicities, but we are all one. East Africa, West Africa, North and South Africa, we are always one. This is the peace in Africa. Africa is all about peace. Individuals love the people. We are indigenous, sons and daughters of the soil. Let's go!